parang every after rehearsal, tinatry ko na easy talaga yung mag-test kami ng products, mag-swatch kami, kasi syempre we wanna be, ano tawag yun? Gusto namin po, perfect and good quality products yung may co-produce namin. And gusto namin maging hands-on yan.
So, even the mascara, di ba may time na try natin siya before rehearsals para makita natin yung sponsor na. Yes, and this kind of makeup is something that you can use for every day. Kung gusto niyo rumamba, tapos for us, magagamit din natin ito pag may mga concerts, mga shows, events. Yes, and we really are very hands-on and